All right, so there's a lot of skepticism out there whether or not these funded account companies are legit and whether or not they'll pay you out. I could tell you guys that TickTick did pay me out. I requested a $1,000 withdrawal just 14 days into being funded, and I got my first payout. Now let's talk about their payout policy, because that's very important. Every company that you sign up with is going to have different payout policy, and they're going to have a lot of pros and different cons to it. Okay, so I'm not here to compare them. I'm just going to tell you about TickTick and some similarities and differences to other companies that I know of. With TickTick, number one thing is, after 40 trading days, so after 2 months of trading, you get to keep 100% of the payout, anything over the safety threshold. So that is a big con. However, I'm not worried about it because that is just my account and I am going to keep it in there anyway. So the first 3,600, you cannot withdraw for the first year. I've made $5,900 in their account in the first 9 trading days of the account. Anything over 3,600 I could take out now because they have what's called an early withdrawal. To get 100% of the profit over 3,600, you have to trade for 40 days. I've only traded with them for 9 days, and I asked for the early withdrawal to make sure everything is legit. And then if I want to recommend them to anyone, I know they do pay out. With the early withdrawal though, you get 50% of profit split. That means if I took out 1,000, they took out 1,000 as well. And the reason why I took out 1,000 and not less is because their minimum withdrawal is 1,000. So that's another con to trading with them. But at the same time, it depends what size you trade. You know, I was making close to $1,000 a day. After the 4th month, the split goes from 100% to 90 and 10. So it's not a big deal. The first 3 months after 40 days is at 100%. So that's when you want to take advantage of it. The processing time, so that varies based on what payment you get. But at the same time, that is the processing time to your bank account from the Deal account. So Deal is the brand that, or the company that they use to make the payouts with. They're just like the middleman of a payroll company. Let's walk through the actual payout process. So I requested the payout exactly 2 days ago. So I requested the payout at 6:52 p.m. on Tuesday, October 11th. I passed their trading combine September 28th. My first trading day with the funded account was on the 29th. And exactly 2 weeks ago, and I requested the payout 2 days ago. So there was a bit of a delay. So I've been posting a recap of this account every day. If you're interested, watch the videos prior to this video. I've posted a trading recap from every single day, including the day that I passed the trading combine in one single day. So that's the biggest pro of this. The TickTick account evaluation, you could pass in one single day. There's no minimum trading days, so you don't have to waste time trading the evaluation if you could pass it in one day. There was a slight of a delay with the payout. So they restrict your account until the payment is taken out of the account. So my profit was $5,800. My safety threshold was 36. So my profit was $2,280. So I was able to take out $1,140, but I only took out 1,000. The Deal account is again what they use for payouts. Okay, so this is the Deal account, and this is the screenshot from Deal account. That is probably the delay that I had, because it did take 2 days to get paid out because I didn't have a Deal account made. So if you used any other combine or any other funded account and you got paid with, and you already have an account, so you're already one step forward. But there was just miscommunication with the customer service of Deal and with the support of TickTick, and it took an extra day to get a withdrawal. So I ended up missing a trading day yesterday. Then they apologized for the delay. They offered me to unlock the account, but they offered me to unlock the account and cancel the withdrawal yesterday so I could trade the account today. And thankfully I didn't go for it because I really wanted to get that payout to make sure everything's good. And also today was a very, very tough day to trade. If you traded today and you did well, congrats to you. I actually failed a Apex evaluation. So when this was on delay, I decided to sign up with Apex and try to pass their evaluation. Yesterday was good, and today I hit the trailing drawdown. So again, that is something I don't like about these combines, is that they have a trailing drawdown. I made a video about the trailing drawdown yesterday. Funny enough, today it hit my account and I lost the account. Versus with TickTick, there is no trailing drawdown. It's only end of day drawdowns. Eventually, after 2 days, I got the payout. So I don't think this is like a normal occurrence. At least I hope not. Losing 2 days of trading really sucked because I've been making close to $800 on average per day. And then I'm happy that I missed today's trading day, because today would have been a red day for sure. And depending whether or not I would have stuck to the rules, we might have been blowing this account because the max daily loss is 2,500. So I have Rhythmic to set, a max loss at 2200. So technically I'm not even able to hit a max loss and fail the account. I'll just hit the max loss of 2200 and be done for the day, but that would still suck. That would be a big setback, you know, especially after taking the withdrawal. Since my account now is at 3800, it was at 5800. So I mean, $2,000 drawdown for a payout kind of sucks and lowers the cushion, because once again, now the account can't go below 100,000. I'm happy to get paid. Again, I only paid $250 for the combine. It's $99 for the combine, $149 to get activated. I made $1,000 in 9 days. I mean, that's nothing to complain about. Even if I blow this account now, at least now I have the extra $750 that I could use to purchase more accounts or try to pass another one. If you guys have any questions about TickTick or any questions about their withdrawal process, make sure to leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. I post daily recaps from my trading experiences, and I went on a 10 green day streak, and then today was a red day, and luckily this account was not accessible, so I wasn't able to trade it. So I got a little bit lucky. Any content that you guys want to see, let me know. And of course, if you want to keep up with this account and how it's going, make sure you hit that subscribe once again, because I will be posting almost daily recaps when I'm trading this account, the good, the bad. And of course, if I blow this account, you will see that probably the first week of December, which would be great because that's my birthday week. I'll get the withdrawal, the full withdrawal after 40 trading days. So hopefully it's going to be a good birthday party and birthday week for myself. Anyway, guys, enjoy and have a good rest of the day.